Oh, it looks good.
Has everyone got a drink?
I think so. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, easy? I don't think so. What's that? Oh no, scary cat. No, I don't like that one.
Yeah.
That's on the landing, up the stairs.
Yeah.
Do you know what the cupboard is there?
Everyone.
Just.
Yeah.
This is my Halloween phone. Hello. You have your Halloween phone, so you have to talk to me.
That's going to be your light. No, I'm busy. I'm getting ready for my pumpkin carving. There you go.
Hello.
Look at that.
Hello.
Daddy knows what. Wow, mine's got a lot of teeth. This one. Do the ducks like pumpkin seeds?
Yeah. Feed it.
Because maybe you could roast the pumpkin seeds in the oven and feed it to the ducks. Maybe.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yes.
Go on then, pull it. That's it. Keep turning it and then lift it.
Yeah.
That's it. Now lift it up.
Whoa!
Yay!
No. Let me see. I'll put mine this side.
And I'll put mine this side.
Oh, put his hat on. Cool. They're great.
Yeah, they are great.
Oh, look at. Can you hold it this side now? Climb on there.
No! Ow!
I was going to tape you to the wall.
I banged my head. No! Do that.
Why not?
That's not funny.
It will be. We will laugh. Oh, there you go.
What are you saying?
Wow.
This was scared.
Shall we have a cup of coffee? I think that sounds like a plan. 12:15. Maybe we need even lunch.
No, I've changed my mind.
K-E. Jakey, Jakey.
No.
Jakey, Jakey.
No.
Oh, is that your boyfriend?
No.
That's why you've got a wobbly tune.
No.
Minnie and Jake sitting in a tree.
K-I-S-S-I-N-G.
So just mix up the dry ingredients. Big piece of sugar. Don't know why, but it does. Just make sure it's all mixed, yeah. Smells good already. Smell the spices and the sugar and smells good. Ooh. Oh, Ruby got pumpkin. Right now without water.
Good. Let's get for the
It's not hot or anything, is it?
You take chuck here. You just take chuck out.
The ball thrower.
You can hold it.
I'll just leave it to cool a bit. Hey, they look good.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Yeah. I'm doing the same one as you.
Yeah. Are you? Okay, you can do lots of different ones. Yeah. Great big place, isn't it? We went and had a look. What flavour do you want?
Chocolate.
What? Chocolate topping on a pumpkin cake? I don't think so.
Yeah.
I just want a marker pen, a black one, please.
There we go. In the garage.
Okay. Have you ever used this cream cheese for a topping for a cake? It's really nice. That could be in a horror movie, making that noise. Do you think it would work? I think that'd be good enough.
Hollywood.
Practicing. What did you say? Oh, look at that. That's nice yellow.
Yeah.
Wow. Shout Lily. Tell him to come and have a look.
Lily!
Yeah.
Come and look at our cake.
Let's go and have a look.
Pumpkin cake. Oh, it looks good.
Has everyone got a drink?
I think so.
Sit! Paul! Sit! Paul! Hey! No!
I don't think pumpkin's got much taste anyway. It's a bit like sweet potatoes. They don't taste of anything, do they? I think they're all water. That's your fourth piece.
Corn and onion if they're cooked.
Yeah, not raw onion. Makes your mouth go tingly, doesn't it, raw onion? A bit strong. Although, you like cheese and onion crisps, don't you?
Yeah.
And Mary used to like cheese and onion sandwiches. Crazy, really. Have you chopped it?
Do you have any tea bowls? No.
It can just go in there now. We don't need it.
Chocolate powder.
And an onion. Can you chop onion? And a
Yeah.
potato. Chop.
I can't chop onion.
Well, I'll chop the onion. You chop the potato. Then.
No.
Then you...
That is nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, a bit of salt.
It's dead.
Take your head off, Lee.
Yeah.
You can take your head off to eat your dinner. Oh, careful!
Yeah, a little bit of meat.
Take your hands off. Hi! Take your hands off if you want.
Oh no. I might have to eat my bread.
Mmm.